Alright guys, so now that we've created our project with ES5 object-oriented programming with prototypes, now I'm going to show you how to do the same exact thing using ES6 classes. So first thing we're going to do is go to our index.html and change the script source from app.js to app.es6.js. Alright, and that's the file that we're going to be working in. Now, if we look at our initial app.js, we have two constructors for two objects, book and UI. So those are actually going to be classes. All right, so let's say class book, and we'll say class UI. Okay, now for the book, we're just going to have a constructor. So we spell out the word constructor, and that's going to take in title, author, and ISBN. Okay, and then we just want to set this dot title equals to title, this dot author equals author, and then this dot ISBN equals ISBN. And that's it. That's all we need for our book class. Okay, the UI is where we're going to put all of our methods to deal with the user interface. And it's going to be the exact same methods that we have in our prototypes. So for instance, add book to list. So we'll go ahead and put that in here. Alright, let's see what else we have. So we have show alert, but I'm going to put that, actually I want show alert. I guess it's fine. I was going to put it below delete, but that's fine. So we'll say show alert. Okay, we want delete book, and we want clear fields. Okay, so those are our methods, and you can see how much neater this looks than this. It really resembles like a React application or something like that, one of those frameworks. Now, what do we have for parameters? So add book to list has a parameter of book. So we're going to want to add that in there, book. Show alert takes a message and a class name. Delete book takes a target. Okay, and then let's see. Now the actual methods should work the exact same. So let's copy the add book to list content. So we'll grab that, paste that in here. All right, let's grab show alert, paste that in here. Just gonna tab that over. Okay, and then we want delete book. And then we want clear fields. Okay, so that's our UI class. Now, the event listeners and all that should also be the same. So let's see, if we go down here, we want our event listener, submit. We're going to get our values. We're going to instantiate the book, which is the same either whether we're using ES5 or ES6 classes. We want the UI. We're going to validate. All this stuff is the exact same. So I'm going to grab from here all the way to the bottom of the file, and then we're going to put that underneath the UI class. Okay, and that should work. So let's go over here and try it. Let's add a book. Actually, let's first of all try to just submit. Okay, so we get please fill in all fields. Let's say book 1. Submit. There we go. Book added. Gets added to the list. Submit. Book added. Let's try the delete. Okay, that works. We get our message. Delete, and there we go. So our ES5 application has been completely converted to ES6 classes, and you can see how easy it is. Now, Remember I showed you the proto pseudo selector in the console. If we go, let's see, right here in console.log our UI and then add something and submit and take a look at the console, look at our UI object here, look at the prototype, and you can see we have all of those methods, all of our class methods inside of that prototype object. All right, so under the hood, this stuff is happening the exact same way. All right, so I think that's very important for you guys to recognize, and that's why I wanted to do something where we built the same exact application in both methods, using both ES5 and ES6. Okay, and that's exactly why these classes are called a convenient syntax or syntactical sugar, because it's just an easier way to write this. Okay, so that's going to be it, guys. I hope you like this project, and I will see you in the next video.